Hi, welcome to today's lesson. Our learning target today is I can plot and name points in all four quadrants of the coordinate grid. Today's lesson is more practice with the skill that we learned in previous lessons. So there's nothing new today, just practice. Here we go. First practice. We have a drawing here of a rocket ship and a bunch of points that create that drawing. And we're asked to find the location of those points and write those locations as ordered pairs over here. So let's go ahead and do that. Here we have point A, and point A is right here. So to find the location of a point on a coordinate grid, we start with the x-axis. So we're down here at the origin, and we're going to walk along the ground. In this case, because A is over here, we're going to walk this way, and we're going to stop at the number, in this case 3, that matches up with the location of our point A. And we're going to label the x-coordinate 3. That's the first part of an ordered pair. Then, now that we're here at our point, we're going to track our eyes over back to the y-axis to see what number matches up with A's location. And it is the number 4. That is the y-coordinate of this ordered pair. So we can say that the name of the location of point A is 3, 4. All right, you ready to try one? Let's do it. Let's find the location of point B. All right, did you start at the origin and move over to 3 on the x-axis and make 3 the x-coordinate part of your ordered pair? I hope so. And then from there, did you move up to point B and then find what coordinate on the y-axis matches point B and write 2? Is your ordered pair 3, 2 for the location of point B? I hope so. That's the correct point. Let's challenge you a little bit here. Let's mix things up. Why don't we find the name of the location of point C right here? Go ahead and try that one. All right. Did you start back at the origin? And this time move along the x-axis to the left into negative territory because C is over here to the left? I hope so. And the number -1 is the number that matches the location of C, -1. So that becomes, for point C, the x-coordinate, -1. And then from there, did you track your eyes back over to see what number matches up with the y-axis? And that would be -2. And make that your y-coordinate, -2. So the name of the location of point C is -1, -2. Let's try one more. What is the name of the location of point E? Okay, this one might be a little bit trickier because it rests directly on the x-axis. So that's our first step. Let's move along from the origin and find the name of the point on the x-axis that matches with point E, and that is -5. That's our x-coordinate, -5. And then let's go ahead and move up the y. Wait a second, we can't move up the y-axis. That point is on the x-axis. We can't move up the y-axis or down. It's right there. So what number do we use to name a point on the x-axis that doesn't move along the y-axis at all? Well, if it doesn't move along the y-axis, then it's at 0. It's at the starting point. It hasn't moved. It's still at 0. It hasn't gone up or down. All right, let's try something else to practice. Here we have a blank 4-quadrant coordinate grid, and our directions say, if I can uncover them, draw your own rocket in the grid below and write down the coordinates. And in your practice work today, you'll be asked to do something similar, make your own drawing. So let's do that. The way I'm going to do that, and the way you should do that today in your practice work is this. Draw the points first, all right? I'm going to go with something thicker, like a marker. And let's see, a rocket. So that would be, I'll start maybe up here, and then I'll make the point of the rocket there, and then the base of the rocket here goes down to here, and then it comes out to here, like that. I made it symmetrical so the sides match. Then I'm going to connect the dots. Let's see here, boom, 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 just like that. All right, I have a rocket. It's simple, but that's all we're looking for today. Then I'm going to name the points A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. And over here, A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. And now I have a place to write my ordered pairs. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's find the name of point A. All right, well, a tricky one. Can you find the name of point A? Okay, did you start here at the origin and then move along the way? You can move along the x-axis because this point is on the y-axis. So that means its x-coordinate is 0. We just start by moving up the y-axis to the point at which this point rests, and that is 5. So 0, 5 is the ordered pair that names the location of point A. Let's try one more. Can you, we're going to skip ahead here. Can you give me the location of point G? Go ahead and give that one a try. Okay. Did you start at the origin? Move over to the line, to the number that matches up with the location of G, and that is -2. And make -2 your x coordinate. And then did you go ahead and track your eyes back towards the y-axis to see what number matches up with the location of G on the y-axis? And that is +3 because we went up from the origin. +3 matches with G. So we'll write that as our y-coordinate. And we can say that the ordered pair that names the location of point G is -2, 3. That's our practice for today. And the work we've done together just now is going to be the same kind of work you're going to do independently. Our learning target today is I can plot and name points in all 4 quadrants of the coordinate grid. Let's get to work. Please let me know if you need help.